Newberg's Early Bird Rotary Club has a number of local community service projects. Among these are Saul Highway Cleanup, Habitat for Humanity Assistance, holiday-sponsored families, homeless shelter meals, transitional youth outreach, smoke alarm replacement, parks and city beautification projects, kids helping kids, smart reading program partner, high school and college student mentoring, and new generations projects such as Interact, Youth Exchange, Boy Scouts, Rotary Youth Leadership Academy. Newberg Early Bird Rotary Foundation focuses on capital projects through a grant process. As the Newberg Early Bird Rotary Club members stand, accepting the Hearts of Gold Award on behalf of that club is its president, Rob Molzant.
On behalf of a great group of people, I'm proud to be the face and the voice of the Newberg Early Bird Rotarians to accept this award. You know, when I started in Rotary 12 years ago, it was not because I knew all of what Rotary did worldwide, but it was because of what the people in this community did. And even though I've learned more about the global impact of Rotary, it's still because of what we do in the community that makes Rotary so special. And we've kind of coined a new nickname accidentally, but in the program it says the Newberg Rotary Eerie Birds. That doesn't mean we're spooky, but what I think it means is we put our ear to the needs of the community, and we meet every Thursday morning at 7.